What's up, y'all? Here with the 97 12 valve, and we're about to do a good oil change with the Cat heavy duty oil filter install. But yeah, let's get to it. So to get the oil filter off, what I did, you know, most of these are over torqued. I use this vice grip with a chain, wrapped it around the oil filter and twisted it clockwise, and that's to get it off. Once I got it off, now I'm underneath. I'm about to go ahead and crack the bolt so I can drain the oil out the motor. I'm doing this while the motor is hot so I can get all the gunk up out of there. But yeah, let's go underneath and crack that bolt. All right, now that we got the oil filter off, now you want to grab yourself a ratchet. I'm using a 1/2 inch, and my bolt is a 19 millimeter. So grab your 1/2 inch, put your ratchet in the off position. Mine is in the off position. Oh god damn! Just ejected the socket. Let me grab that, put that back on. All right, back in action. At that, fairly easy, really loose. Boom, get yourself some gloves so you don't have to worry about the oil. And get that all the way off. Oh god, oh shit. I'm an asshole. Yeah, let that drain. Let me get back to you. All right, so after you let this drain up for a while, you'll grab your bolt. Start to catch. Damn it. Let me get my hand. Left hand. Catch that bolt. Tighten that bad boy up just a little bit. Nice little snug. That should be good. We go ahead and wipe that off, and then go back up top and fill her up with some good old Valvoline 15W40. Alrighty guys, so now what you want to do, what you should do with almost all your oil changes before you put your filter on, you got the good old Cat. Here's the part number. But the good old Cat oil filter part number is 3964596 for 12 valve and 5.9 24 valve Cummins engines in general. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pre-fill this oil filter. Oh god. All right, nice. All right, cool. We got some oil up in there. Let's get a little more. Let it sink down. So you do this so pretty much so you won't be dry firing up the system. You got oil at least there, and the engine could pick up oil pressure quicker than, you know, just pouring it and letting it sit all at the bottom and has to work harder to pick it up. I can't get it to stay. So boom. And get your filter down up under there. And let's screw this on. You want to go counterclockwise. Remember, to take it off, it is clockwise. And to put it on, you want to go counterclockwise. I'm going to get this hand tight. I'm going to get me a rag. I know you guys can't really see anything, but I am doing this by myself. Then I just want to get this done correctly and not have no leaks. All right. All right. That should be good. And now we got our good old heavy duty cat oil filter installed. Thanks to motherfucking XDP, Extreme Diesel Performance. They was able to get this oil filter out to me in a day. I selected the 2-day option and they got here in a day. So you can't beat that. Service is good. They take care of the heat quick. So now we got that on. We're gonna fill this thing up with 10 quarts. We're gonna throw 9, being that we put like a quart inside the oil filter. So we're gonna throw 9 inside there. We got a brand new 2-gal right there. I know it's overkill, but better to have more than to have none. So let me see if I can set this camera up again. Perfect. Oh yeah. So I'm going with Valvoline heavy duty. It's recommended for Cummins engines. Alright, where's the oil? And let's fill this thirsty girl up. You hear that? She thirsty.
I mean, you're getting blasted. We're just fucking. As long as you can help yourself from drinking all the alcohol that's in sight. And
Dude, like I have the pen.
alright.
You're not trying to get no liquor?